the mistakes that we all make that results in our bad, unhealthy facial skin. I chose this topic because before learning about something new, let's eliminate the bad habits that we own. With a motto to polish ourselves, let's move forward. Tip number 1. Do not sleep with your face on the pillow. Simply because when we sleep, our hair and our face comes in contact with the pillow. Our hair has dust particles, it has dandruff. Many times we don't wash our hair every day, each and every day. We don't shampoo it every day. So it has dandruff in it and some dust particles as well. Now these dandruff and dust particles, if they come in contact with our skin, they'll clog the pores and that results in pimples. The second mistake is scrubbing your face at night and scrubbing your face too often. These are basically two separate things. I've clumped them up together. Scrubbing our face at night is not a good idea simply because before heading to bed, let's not open all those pores on our skin and invite all the dirt and germs to clog our pores and result in pimples. And the second point, which is scrubbing too often. If you have pimples or if you have a textured skin, scrubbing too often will just worsen that condition, because our skin will get irritated, it might get red at places and then patchy or something. So we do not want that. It's important to pamper our skin and take care of our skin and not treat it rough. The best thing and the ideal thing is to do is to scrub our face once a week in the morning, preferably some day which you select, maybe Sunday or maybe Monday. Just scrub your face once a week properly. That's it. That's all you require. Don't overdo anything, because anything which is overdone is harmful. The third mistake is something that we all know about, but we don't implement it. So this is more of a reminder. Our body needs at least 2 liters of water daily. Now there's another mistake in this mistake, which is whenever we look into the mirror and we think, oh my goodness, I'm so dehydrated, I need water. And then what we do is we overdo the thing. See, anything which you provide in excess to your body will be thrown out by your body. So don't just sit and drink a liter of water or half a liter of water just in one go and expect that you will be hydrated. That's not how it works. So if you drink a lot of water just at once, and your body will simply flush out all the water. So the best thing to do is to divide it like 8 glasses, and each glass is 250 ml. So every 2 hours you drink a glass of water, and that is quite ideal. And if you want to break it down further, you can go with a little more than 100 ml of water every hour, which is perfect. Point number 4. Point number 4 is washing your face with warm water, and this is surely not something that you will want to do to yourself. Please don't do this to yourself. When you wash your face with warm water, you leave all those open pores, all those pores open, and they are ready to take in dust and germs and stuff and clog all of it, which is surely not good for your skin. It's very important that you wash your face with cold water. If you don't get cold water, refrigerate water and use it, but please don't wash your face with warm water. You can actually take steam. That's a different thing. I'll tell you why. Simply because when you take steam, it is with a purpose to pop those whiteheads out. Don't pop your whiteheads out without taking steam, because then you are again irritating your skin, which is not okay. So yeah, so that's a different thing. But then if you're washing your face, please make sure that you wash it with cold water. The fifth and the last mistake I'm here to talk about is not knowing your skin type and using products which are not suitable for your skin type. This is a major mistake and it's made by everyone. Like extra virgin coconut oil is very good for the skin, but for dry skin. If a person with oily skin uses it, or a person with combination skin uses it, then it results in breakouts. The simplest way to check what your skin type is to wash your face early in the morning and leave it without a moisturizer, without a powder, without anything for one day, and after a few hours and check if it's oily, if it's dry, or if it's oily at places and dry at some other places, then you get to know it's a combination skin. So that's the only way and that's the best way, that is observing your skin. That will exactly tell you what your skin type is and what best suits you. Okay, so we have come to the end of the list of mistakes, and here I'll tell you that I'm a person who loves experimenting with things with myself as well. So I'll be bringing to you better content every week. Please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.